In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide game activity on Steam. If you'd like a little more privacy on your profile or just want to play without broadcasting it to everyone, I'll walk you through 2 simple adjustments: changing your profile's game visibility and setting your status so friends don't see live notifications while you play. First, let's update your profile privacy. Open Steam and look to the top bar. Hover over your profile name, click Profile, then choose Edit Profile. On the left side, select Privacy Settings. In the My Profile section, find the Game Details drop-down. Set this to private if you want to conceal your entire library, your wishlist, and your activity from everyone. If you still want your friends to see this information but not the general public, choose Friends Only instead. The change takes effect right away, so there's nothing else you need to do on this page. A quick tip here: Game Details is the control that governs what people can see about the games tied to your account. If your goal is a clean, quiet profile with no visible titles or activity, private is the setting you want. If you'd like a bit more flexibility, Friends Only keeps things visible only to people you've accepted as friends. Next, let's make sure you don't appear as actively playing a game. Before you start a session, click the Friends icon in the bottom right corner of Steam, or use the Status drop-down in the top bar. From there, choose Invisible or Offline. Invisible hides your online presence while still letting you use chat if you want, and Offline makes you appear fully signed out. In both cases, your friends won't see notifications that you've launched a game, and your presence won't switch to in-game. When you're ready to be visible again, just switch your status back to online. Together, these 2 changes cover both your profile's public information and your real-time presence. Adjust Game Details to control what shows up on your profile, and use Invisible or Offline to quietly play without alerts popping up for others. You can leave these settings in place for as long as you like, and then restore visibility whenever you're comfortable by switching Game Details back to Friends Only or Public and your status back to online. That's all you need to take control of your visibility on Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.